Hello out there in YouTube and Google Plus land. Well, I'm back at you. I've got another revision going on here. Okay, here was the original. It's just the 2-wire one that I made. And then this is revision 1, which is 4. And now, as you can see, there's revision 3. Revision 2, which is 3. I'll get it right in a minute. It's been a hot day around here. You can tell I got a tank top going on to be cool. So stick around. We'll find out what's the best time. This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Okay, I'm going to cut through this thing here pretty quick, but first off, about the same amount of fuel, windscreen, and I'm going to have 1 cup of water and boiling it. And I think I'm figuring out how much fuel to put in this thing as far as that pellet cat litter, that pine cat litter, pine pellet, something like that. Anyway, I think I've got it figured out. And I'm going to go ahead and crank this little puppy up here in just a second. Oh, one other thing I did do, I JB welded this thing together. So we'll see if the JB weld holds up and how it does. That's the one variable that's a little different. There we go. Okay, got it fired up. I'm gonna let it go and get back to you when it's ready to go. So see you in a few seconds. Minutes for me, but seconds for y'all. All right, seems to be going pretty good now. So like I said, same cup of water, same pot, same everything. It's still dirty from last time, so I didn't bother to clean it, knowing what's going to happen. So let's stick it on there and see how long we go. Alright, there we go. There's our boil. Now, one thing about it this time, I don't know what's going on. It, like I say, might be the fuel. The next time I'll have to try some, that's burning pretty good. I'll have to try some regular wood in there on the next burn. Don't know whether this one did better or not. You guys, I will know here once I edit the video, but y'all let me know what y'all think. And then I'm not putting anything in it. I just boiled it as a test, so I'm gonna sit here and have to let it go out and get that back away from it. That thing's getting it. All right, so that's it for this test. And I'll catch y'all on the next one when I do some wood in there. We'll see how the wood does. Until then, y'all take care out there. Later. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.